The square piece of paper shown below has 5 holes cut into it. So the 5 holes are this one, this hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is folded so that the 2 circles overlap. So when I fold this paper, so I can make a diagonal here and fold it this way, and the circles will overlap. So the which diagram shows what the resulting paper could look like. Now this is not an easy task to do, because when we fold this little triangle, I know there is going to be a little hole here. So these holes in letter A matches. But what is not clear to make is what is going to happen when I have this little piece of a rectangle when it's overlap. So I decided to make the following real piece of paper. So let me see if I can show it to you. So I'm going to go over here. Okay, I am the piece of paper. Let me see if I can move it. Okay, here I am. Okay, so if you can notice, I have the triangles, one and the rectangle, and then the other triangle. So 1, 2, 3, and the other. I didn't cut the circles because it's not easy to make the cuts. And as soon as I overlap the circles, I will be able to see the figure. So let's see what happens. So I overlap them. This one move this way, and this one comes here. Now, as soon as I overlap, I can see that I have this kind of like an arrow. This like a square with a triangle here. And then if I compare with the answers that I have in A, B, C, and D, C is the one that makes closer. So let's make a cross here. So I have the triangle. And then let's see here again. So I have the triangle that moves. Not that moves, you know, but that is pretty similar to the one that I have in letter C. Now, what I want to make emphasis about this exercise is that it took me more than 10 minutes to make this drawing. And I had to do it 2 times because the first time I made it, I got it wrong and I have to make it again. So it took me more than 10 minutes. This one took me like 10 minutes and the other one took me more time. So just to make the demonstration, it's not easy to make it. So when you explain this exercise, please explain the time that you took in order to draw these square and make the cuts. So you can demonstrate that the exercise is not easy to demonstrate. Some people sometimes could give just the answer without explaining anything. It is because they have the ability to see in their mind 3D, I mean, their minds are 3D. They don't need to fold anything because they can do it in their mind. But not all of us are able to see this in our minds, so we need to make the demonstration. So try to make as many comments as possible about what you think about this exercise. Okay, I will stop the recording this time.